You're interested in comic book conservation, please join us on Facebook at the Comic Book Conservation Community, where we have a gathering of experts in the industry, and you can ask all of your questions that you need to know about what you need to do to conserve and preserve these beautiful works of art. Please join Dr. Paul from Liberty Hill Comics, Phantom Phil from Phantom Restorations, and myself, Captain Larry from Flying L Comics, every Sunday night on YouTube. At 8:35 p.m. Eastern, we talk about everything comic conservation and what's happening in the market. So please come join us. You can find us at Liberty Hill Comics on YouTube and Flying L Comics on YouTube.
Well, this was a interesting project that took on a life of its own. Once I got everything casted and I looked at it and it was missing this entire top section of the first wrap. Don't know why, but it was gone. So I leaf casted it and gave it a new look. It was a little bit lighter than I had originally intended, of course. However, as the saying goes, color is not graded, just the quality of the cast. And it was cast quite well. I was very happy with the outcome. You could run your finger across it, and it did not have any noticeable difference than that of the regular paper. The single staple spine was repaired. The book looked great on the outside. Staples were then reinserted, and then we took a good look at the book, and it came out and presented quite nicely. The biggest question is how was it going to grade? So this is a 4.0 that I had handy, um, and I compared the two, and the new one looked better. Off to CGC it went. I was quite pleased with how it presented in the slab. I was expecting the grade to come back at a 4.0 or someplace thereabouts. And I was very happy to see it came back conserved as a 6.5. Conservation includes leaf casting to the interior and cover cleaned, and interior lightened.
If you like today's video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. That way you can get a notification when I have a new video coming out or a follow-up to this one.